Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey, and today I'm gonna be showing you. Whoops. Welcome back to my FL Studio for Beginners tutorial series. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to mix and master your beats. For disclaimer purposes, I am not a professional sound engineer, so don't take this video as a guide as to how you should mix and master your music, because there is no proper way as to which you can mix and master your music. It all depends on how you want it to sound and how it sounds. Okay, that makes no sense, but let's do this. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to start adding the effects to make sure that everything blends well together. So let's start off with the melody. So usually there will be a lot of frequencies in the melody that you do not want there. So what I'm doing right now is just listening to what I do not want there, what I'm hearing. Now I'm gonna bring up the EQ, and you see there is some low end, which is what you do not want there, because you want to leave a lot of space for the kick and the 808, which is gonna be your only bass element in the beat at most times. Just cut away all that low end, and as you can see, this melody that I have right here is mostly prominent in the mid frequencies, low mid to mid. So I can take this band over here and play with it. And what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for transients, because transients can always pierce your ears and be very deafening. And you hear that right there? You don't want that. It's a very sharp noise, so you eliminate it. That sounds good to me. But now this melody is a bit too soft for me. Yeah, that's too soft. And the 808 is a bit too loud. So let me bring up a compressor. I'm going to use ozone dynamics. Yeah. So when you mix and master, you should want to always listen to the whole beat and all the sounds together, so that you can get an idea of what it sounds with all the sounds. So that's what I'm going to do right now while compressing this. Maybe I should add some more effects to it, because I kind of want it to be in both ears. So I'm going to mute that quickly. Actually, let me delete that. Then I'm going to add fruity chorus. I like that. I like the way that sounds. Now let me add ozone 9 dynamics again, and then compress. Got an idea with this hi-hat. Okay, this is a random idea. Okay, and let me EQ this hi-hat as well. Okay, EQ this. Remove the low end, but not too much. Make sure you remove the low end, but not too much that you change the sound because we do not want to change the way it sounds. So yeah, the wind is removed. And this is fine, okay? Let me put the limiter on it so that it doesn't go past certain threshold that I said. That's calm. Oh wait. Okay, that's calm. And let me EQ the snare as well. Okay. Okay. Oh, bruh. FL crashed now. Bruh. The FL really crashed just now. Oh, let me please revert to lost backup, please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Okay. It's not that bad of a crash. Not done with this. Oh bro, what the hell? On the kick. Adding delay on the kick. Hell no. So I'm not sure if I should do I'm not sure if I should do reverb or delay first. Let me EQ. Yeah, it's fine. Because I was gonna say I could EQ this and remove the low in, or I could go here and then remove the low in here. But I already done this. So it's calm. It still sounds the same. Calm. Now delay. What if I distorted? Oh my goodness. That hurt my ears. I guess that sounds better. It kinda adds to the element of the beat. What if I make it go from left ear to right ear? That doesn't sound like a bad idea. Ooh, man's freestyling. Okay, so put it on ping pong, then do this from left ear to right ear. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Let's change this a bit, yeah. Let me do this. And then a this. Okay. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. Now, final changes. You don't need to do this, but this is what I always do. Because I don't intend on sending this beat to anybody, and I don't intend on this beat having any vocals on, I'm going to have this beat capped at 0 decibels. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So as you can see, this is basically your threshold. So your beat will not go past whatever this thing is on. So it's called cell because you sit in your ceiling, and your signal will not go past that ceiling, if you get what I'm saying. So let me play it. I'm playing from there. So as you can see, my mix isn't reaching, or it's just reaching the ceiling. So I wanted to basically bleed over at the bit so that it's in full effect, you know. So I'm going to boost it, and I want that capped at 0. And I've done a bit more. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you will be notified of all my future uploads. With all that said, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.